Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Jordan, and in this video I'm going to share with you my intraday sell idea for Kiwi yen. Well, technically speaking, we already got one profits from this leg right here. If you remember from a previous analysis I did, now the pair is developing in a way that I was believing we were going to get this and create one more final push up. However, the current situation did change. We did form this fantastic head and shoulders right here. Okay, that's coming after a bullish momentum. Divergences are in place. Everything looks perfect. Of course, we did get the break and close right here for this head and shoulders to be validated. And now what we are looking for is basically continuation lower. Attacking immediately with this head and shoulders completion might not be the best idea. However, looking a bit closer and in details, let's analyze what we have. The actual breakout is happening with momentum. This is perfect, so this point is checked. Then if we zoom in a bit here, or actually zoom out, you'll see that as long as this high is keeping the price below it, that's already hidden bearish divergence. Now this divergence must be confirmed on the lower time frames, and that's why when we drop lower we would like to see a confirmation from the 1 hour chart, and this is exactly what we get as well. Well, that's still potential divergence. We don't yet have the tick down on the indicator, but we have a beautiful double wave. 61.8 is in place, so once we get the divergence completed, if we do get it, of course there are no guarantees, then we can start looking for these sells to be delivered. And of course the target would be the duplication from the head towards the neckline. This is where the neckline was broken, so our target is approximately at 75.20 or just a few pips higher, 75.30-40 zone, because once we enter this level, as you can see, we're entering a very strong supportive zone, and that means once we get there, get ready to cash out. So that's my idea. If you like it, guys, please comment, like, subscribe. If you have any questions, again, do comment or find me in Telegram where we can chat live. Have a wonderful day.